चाहिए। मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ साहब, उसको पढ़ने दो ना।
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
आप अपनी बात करिए, अपनी बात करिए।
Thank you. The Deputy Chairman, now that the Leader of the House has mentioned it, he wrote a letter to me expressing his commitment to democracy, the way he was conducting the House and what has happened, how he was treated. And then he said, in order to arouse the conscience of the people, he want to मुझे क्या कहना मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दीजिए प्लीज, आपने सुझाव दिया मैं जरूर. He said he want to observe hunger, what you call the not strike, self fast to make the members who have behaved in such a manner to realize और एक इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करे, ये आशा से उन्होंने ऐसा. And this is a Gandhian way. This is a JP way. So keeping that in mind, we should not make controversies. We should not try to score political points. It was also brought to my notice that today, आज सुबह हरिवंशी जी ने खुद चाय बना के घर पे, चाय जो लोग वहाँ धरने पे बैठे सदस्य उनको पिलाने के लिए गए और वहाँ चाय उनको दिया है. ये मानवता और गांधी पद्धति वो शुरू से अपना रहे, केवल आज नहीं. तो उनके जीवन के बारे में हम सबको मालूम है, इसलिए सब लोगों ने अपना विवेचन के आधार पर सबने निर्णय पे आया और उनको यहाँ उप सभापति के रूप में चुन के यहाँ भेजा. और मैं जानता हूँ कितना पीड़ा हुआ होगा और उन्होंने डिटेल्ड बाहर बताया नहीं क्या क्या बोला उनके बारे में. That's why I used the word yesterday. He was not only accused, he was abused. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. And people, if they don't realize what they have done is wrong, and if they justify, then I leave it to their wisdom, and I leave it to the wisdom of the people who are saying, no, जो हो गया. Yes, जो हो गया. Minister of Parliament Affairs also said, ready, provided if they realize, we want the House to run. As the chairman, deputy chairman, we want the House to run. We want full participation. And we want everybody to give their views. And then finally House to come to a conclusion. That's why I always say, I repeat, discuss, debate, and then decide, not disrupt. This is one. Secondly, government proposes, opposition opposes, and the House disposes. But you must allow the House to dispose, na? You don't allow the House to function and then create this thing. That is not a healthy trend. This is not a healthy trend, because once, if you accept that, then people will start doing that. That's why my appeal to all the leaders of different parties, please understand the need to maintain decency and decorum, standards and values of this great house. We are elders' house. The scenes that are appearing in television, they are paining every Indian and hurting the image of this house, August House. And now trying to put the blame on somebody and put the blame on the chair and try to make it very simple as if it is only concerned with that particular bill. That's not fair. So let everybody do some introspection. And then if there is some procedural this thing what is to be followed, that can be followed. Members are free to convey to me or bring to my notice also. I am always willing to go through that. जैसा मैंने कहा, मुझे बताया गया कि इतना सब होते हुए भी आज उपसभापति श्री हरिवंश जी ने संसद परिसर में धरने पर बैठे सांसदों के लिए स्वयं सुबह की चाय आग्रह पूर्वक लेकर गए. हरिवंश जी का पहल हमारे उत्कृष्ट लोकतांत्रिक संस्कारों को दिखाती है. उनकी पहल लोकतंत्र के लिए शुभ संकेत है. मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूं, अंततः, मेरा हिंदी ठीक है ऐसा मैं सोचता हूं, अंततः, फाइनली, अंततः वो हमारा सदस्य है. जो बाहर भेज गया और जो बैठे वो हमारा सदस्य है, वो लोग को भी समझ में आना चाहिए उन्होंने ये जो काम किया वो स्वीकार नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट्री पद्धति में उसको स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते, और वो अपना जो किया उसको वो लोग सेटरेट करने के लिए पश्चाताप हो रहे तो वो बताए तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, अच्छा भी होगा, लोकतंत्र के लिए अच्छा होगा। इसलिए मैं अपील करता हूं टू ऑल पीपल, प्लीज फॉलो द रूल्स, regulations and try to keep up the standards of this one. And for the sake of the record, I want to further say that the day full time was allotted for discussion was over. Deputy Chairman went on record 13 times saying that he is willing to go for division. If you go to your seats, if you are in order, then creating disorder and then asking point of order is not going to make any help. I am just reiterating that. And then, as far as the House traditions are concerned, as I told you, I am not happy to quote them. How many times members were suspended, when, who, all those details are there for some people who want to make study. I appeal to the media also, please understand the issue fully. Don't try to focus it only on one incident and then try to put it in such a way. Try to understand the background of the entire issue, and my duty, my worry is running the House. You make free speech parliamentary within the parliament system. Attack the government, no problem at all. Government must respond and they will respond to their ability. You are not happy. What is the way in parliament? Talk out, walk out, or vote out. Otherwise, democracy will be all out. This has to be understood by one and all. Often I have been saying this because this new tendency has come. Please understand this and see to it that everybody follows this thing. The Honorable Minister of Education was speaking about the Triple IT Amendment Bill. We can continue and then please. The House will sit as long as it is necessary, and then chair will decide after taking the vote of the House. And I once again appeal to all the parties, their leaders, please rethink, retrospect, come back to the House, participate in the discussion.